Hi boys and girls, welcome to math. Today we're going to be working with 5 frames and we're going to put some different numbers in there and see if it's more than 5 or less than 5. Now remember, 5 frames are these things that 5 objects will fit in, okay? And no more than 5, just 5 fit in here because there's 5 spaces. So let's start with 7, okay? I'm going to get my pen right here. That's a nice line there. I'm going to start with, go ahead and change that. I have the circle maker. Go backwards, there we go, and get rid of the circle maker, and let's do 7. 7. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get the disc maker. I'm going to put some discs in there. How many am I going to put? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I have no more room, no more spots because I have 5, and it's a 5 frame, so I need to put some on the outside of the 5 frame. 6, 7. Let me count that again and just make sure that I have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, boys and girls. So is 7 more than 5 or less than 5? That's right. If you said more than 5, that is correct. 7 is, I'm going to write it down here. How many more than 5 is it? First of all, I'm going to put more than in the middle, okay? Because we know that's true. I'm going to write more than, second. Whoop. A little bit hard to write on the computer, but I think you can read that. Okay. 7 is how many more than 5? There's 5 in here, and I see 2 on the outside. So that tells me that it's 1, 2 more than 5. All right. Okay, next one. I'm going to change my color, and I'm going to go ahead and do the number 4. Okay, I'm going to put the number 4. So I'm going to write 4. Start at the top, pull down, cross, back to the top, and pull down. I'm going to get my little disc maker, keep it blue, and let's put 4. Okay. Now, do you think 4 is going to be more than 5 or less than 5? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there's 4. Is it more than or less than 5? I see one more spot here, so I think it's less than 5. Yeah, it's less than 5 because we still have room. Okay, how many less than 5 is it? So I'm going to go ahead and start writing. Take out the disc maker. I'm going to go ahead and put less than. I'll put it down here. We have room. Less than. We know it's less than 5. 4 is less than 5. And we can see that on our fingers too, right? If we hold up our hand, we have 5 here. If you have 4 here, we see there's not as many here as there is here. So we know it's less than 5. How can we see how many less than 5 it is? I see one empty spot right here. So that tells me that 4 is 1 less than 5. Okay, 1 less than 5. All right. We're going to do one more on this one, and we're going to do, I'm going to go to color black right here. This time I'm going to do 9, okay? So I'm going to put 9 right here. All right, the disc maker, and here we go. Let's fill it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, am I at 9 yet? No, I'm just at 5, so I need to keep going. And again, I don't have any more room, so I need to put them on the outside of this. I like to kind of make them nice and straight and even with the other ones. So what was that again? I was full of the 10. The 10 frame is full, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, was I at 8? Now, if you ever forget how many you have, you can go ahead and stop and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's right. So I need to get to 9. One more. 9. All right, boys and girls. So is 9 more than or less than 5? Okay. Let me go ahead and take this off. Keep the color black there. And I can see that I have on the some on the outside of the 5 frame. So I have more than what will fit in the 5 frame. So I have more than 5. go and write that right here. More than, all right, more than 5. A little bit messy there on the computer, but hopefully you can read that. More than 5. How many more than 5? I see 4 on the outside, so that tells me right away that 9 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 more than 5. All right. Okay, so 7 is 1, 2, 2 more than 5. 4 is 1 less than 5. And 9 is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more than 5. All right, boys and girls. So now, today in our stepping stones, we're going to page 77. 77 on our stepping stones. I'm going to get the pen tool here, and I'll just use the color black. So what we do first is we count the counters, okay? And then we write that number up on top. So here it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write 4. First one is there for you to trace. That's 4. And 4 is, it already tells you if it's more or less than 5. The top ones are less, the bottom ones are more. So how many less than 5 is it? See, 1 empty space. That tells me that it's 1 less than 5. All right, let's do one more on the top here. How many counters are there? 1, 2. Okay. 2. All right. And then how many less than 5 is it? What's the quickest, easiest way to do that? I can look and see that there's 1, 2, 3 empty spaces. So 2 is 3 less than 5. All right, and I'll leave that one for you to do. And I'll go down here to the first more than. And I can see that there is more than because I have some on the outside of the 5 frame. How many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I have 7. All right, and how many more than 5? Right away I can see 1, 2 outside of the 5. So that tells me it's 2 more than 5. All right, 2 more than 5. All right, boys and girls, you can finish this one and the last 2 here, and take a picture of that and upload it. And thank you for joining me for math.